We're going to put some cups and cause a suction. It's going to bring in blood to those areas, and when it brings in blood, it makes that area start healing and loosening up. So we're going to do that in all your tight spots. It also detoxes you, which is really cool. Another cool thing is the areas that get super dark is areas that we should be concentrating on, meaning like there's something going on in there that's hurt or not flushing out correctly. So it's also like a diagnostic tool.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah. And you're already dark, so if you needed this. Perfect. You comfortable?
Right, yes.
Perfect.
Right.
So you'll be there for about 10 minutes and then we'll come take care of you.
Perfect, thank you.
You got it.